We are out on the Souhegan River in Milford, New Hampshire on President's Day 2023. You can't tell from the sound of my voice, I'm just getting over a cold. But it's too warm today, too nice, so I wanted to try a few spots over here. Bring you guys along. Let's see what happens. Great first cast, right in the tree. Go from there. Starting the day off with a bright green rooster tail. I do have my fly pole and the rest of my gear over there by the tree. Probably try my fly pole as I go a little bit further downstream and as it opens up a little more, and go from there. But just wanted to show you what I'm working with to start the day. Let's do some fishing. This spot looks great, but I've fished here a few times in the past and never had any luck here. But my brain keeps on telling me to come back here, so I'll keep trying. I have seen fish in here, so I know there are fish. I've just never caught one in this part of the river, at least. All right, let's get down there. Looks pretty nice. Go from there. It's crazy, this river looks so good for like trout or those type of fish, but it's just such a high traffic, dirty river at times in the past that unless they stock it, I don't think there's many fish in here. At least they can't survive the winter. Just too bad, because it looks gorgeous in there in the water. Changing it up a little bit. Switching over to the old power bait. Bobber. Current's pretty fast, so I'll just pop it out there, let it float down, rinse and repeat. Let's see what happens. And there it goes. I have the bobber set a little too deep, but I'm gonna play this edge before I walk down here. My other problem is I love rocks, but I don't know what this is. It looks like a piece of clay. Nothing man-made, whatever it is. This spot looks super fishy. Deep and slow, corner river. Let's see. Man, how are there no fish right here? So those domes you see out there in the woods is the Milford Fish Hatchery. And they're probably pretty well stocked up with trout right now. Unfortunately, I've yet to see or catch one in the water in the river. Alright, standing in the water now. I'm gonna walk down the water, switch over to fly fishing, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, it's a little heavy, but should be okay. So this is one of my favorite things out here. This super old cut granite piece. I'm not sure why the pink tag around it, but it's old. Probably had an old fence here, maybe. Not sure. Looks like a fence pole holder there. So this is the area I'm gonna fish next. Little waterfall down there. I've been eyeballing this place for a while. Just haven't been here. Really cool thing is, last time I did come down here, there was a bald eagle's nest up in one of these big pines. So maybe we'll see them again. So the bald eagle nest is still up there. I don't hear or see them, so I imagine they're probably not there right now, but that big clump of branches is the bald eagle nest. I've been whistling, hoping they'd pop their head out or something, but they may not be around right now. Who knows?